Okay, so this is the second case. Now let us go to the third case, that is simply supported beam with UDL, uniformly distributed load, UDL. So simply supported beam with UDL. UDL means uniformly distributed load. UDL. Like this. So this is a simply supported beam with UDL, uniformly varying load. Sorry, uniformly distributed load. So the steps remain same. What is the first step? DS. So as it is simply supported beam, DS remains same 0. And second case, n is equal to 1 location. So if you observe the bending moment diagram for simply supported beam, it is a parabolic, maximum at the center, WL square by 8. Agree? So see, that is what once I am repeating. So before going into these steel structures, we should have the proper knowledge of strength of metals. Everywhere we are using those concepts. Clear bending moment diagrams and maximum bending moment value. So everything. So WL square by 8, that is the maximum bending moment value for a simply supported beam with UDL which occurs at the center. So the location of plastic in this case is also at center. Center. So represent that center with C. So the location is here. This is C. Agree? Now before going to the principle of actual work done, let us discuss about what is UDL. So what is meant by UDL? UDL is nothing but uniformly distributed load. So what is meant by that? So uniformly distributed load is nothing but number of point loads of same magnitude which are placed close together. It means, so UDL is nothing but like this. So this is UDL. So this is what UDL. So UDL is nothing but the number of point loads of same magnitude which are placed very close together. It means, see, in this diagram there exists spacing between one point load and another point load, but in here there exists no spacing. It means, see, this is one point load. Immediately to this point load there exists one more point load like this of same magnitude and another point load of same magnitude. So likewise, if the n number of point loads are spaced of the n number of point loads of same magnitude placed very close together, it forms UDL. That is the meaning of UDL. So UDL is nothing but uniform distributed load. It means n number of point loads of same magnitude which are placed very close together for a span or for a length, some length. So now this is what UDL. Now coming to the principle of actual work done. What is the principle of actual work done? External work is equal to internal work. So principle of actual work done is nothing but external work is equal to internal work. So now what is external work? External work is equal to the load into delta. So in previous cases the load is point load. So simply we have multiplied that load with the deflection or displacement under that load. But here everywhere we are having the load. Agree or not? Throughout the span from A to B we are having load. And if you see the deflected shape of mechanism, so this is how the mechanism. And that too, the plastic hinge is forming exactly at the center. So from the symmetry we can take here the theta and here also theta. So AC segment rotating clockwise and CB segment rotating anti-clockwise. So both are same. And here we are going to get the maximum deflection C dash which is delta. Agree or not? So if we consider here, so under this point load, this is the deflection. So under this point load, this is the deflection. Under this point load, this is the deflection. Under this point load, this is the deflection. So likewise, there exists n number of point load throughout this span L. And there exists n deflection. So to get the total work done, so this is a W. So this W into this delta. And this W into this delta. So this is delta max. So take it as delta 1, delta 2 plus delta 3 plus so on. So we have to take the summation of all the displacements. It means, see, here this is one point load, next to this there is one more point load. So there is the displacement. Here one point load, displacement. Here one point load, as likewise. So if we add all those displacements, what we are going to get? If we add all these displacements, what we are going to get? We are going to get the area of this triangle. Yes or no? If we add all these displacement under the point load, which is of same magnitude, we are going to get the area. So it means W into area. So this delta 1 plus delta 2 plus delta 3 plus so on, we are going to get area. So now external work in the case of UDL should be taken as that intensity of UDL into area under it. Intensity of UDL into area under it. And internal work the same. Internal work is nothing but here hinge is formed at C. So now here it is MP and here it is MP. So this MP tries to make the here the theta and here theta, this theta is 0. So now internal work is nothing but MP to theta. So now intensity of UDL. What is the intensity of UDL? W. So W into area. So area is nothing but this is a triangular area. What is the area of triangle? Half into base into height. So half base is L and height is L by 2 theta. So here the delta CC dash. So CC dash is equal to delta. Delta is equal to L by 2 theta. L by 2 theta is equal to 2 MP theta. So now here we can cancel theta and theta. Theta and theta. So finally the true collapse load, intensity of true collapse load, small w is equal to 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. So 8 MP by L square. This is the collapse load for simply support beam with UDL. So once again I am repeating, whenever there is a UDL, so then in the calculation of external work done, in case of UDL, we have to take the area under it, or area of the deflected shape into intensity. Why we have to take area means this is the thing. So the concept is same. Work done is nothing but load into displacement under it. So now here the load is having everywhere throughout the span. So under the load there exists one displacement. So we have to add all those displacements. Upon adding all those displacements, we are going to get the area of a triangle. That is why simply we have taken area of the triangle. That's summation. So this is the area. This is the calculation of collapse load for simply support beam with UDL. Take it down.